Hello everyone, welcome to our milestone presentation, and I will present our project, the Movie Analyzer. Imagine that on Friday night, you finished all your work and just want to watch a movie and relax, but you don't know which movie to watch, and you end up spending the whole night searching for movies. Or you are a movie producer and you want to know if people gonna like your movie, or some new movie are just released and you want to find out if that's for you. Our movie analyzer will solve all your concerns. By providing a personalized recommendation, you no longer need to spend hours looking for movies. Want to make a prediction about some movies? Just enter the movie's information and our analyzer will do it for you. Through sentiment analysis on real-time social media data such as Twitter and YouTube, we can provide you with the public opinions about new trending movies to help you make the decision. Our project uses data from multiple sources, such as the movie database, IMDb, Movie Lens, and also some streaming data from Twitter and YouTube. With regard to our project, we have many challenges that we need to overcome. The first one is the challenge with data. Because our data coming from multiple sources, which means they have different format and length. And also streaming data, such as Twitter, contains a lot of noise. And our solution is to store the data in MongoDB, which can handle the unstructured data very well, and also apply regular expression to filter out those noisy data. The second challenge is data integration. It's really hard to build user profile based on their viewing history or ratings. It's also hard to extract useful features from movies metadata. And our solution is to apply various feature selection techniques and also incorporate some AutoML tools to help us with that. The last but not least challenges is the recommendation system. A well-known problem is so-called cold starts, which means it's hard to make recommendations for new users, and it's also hard to incorporate new movies. So in order to overcome this, we will build a hybrid recommendation system, which combines the context-based and collaborative filter. And for a new user, we'll let them to read some existing movies, and for a new movie, we will extract the feature from the metadata and compute the similarity with existing movies.
Here is the general workflow of our project so far. We collect and integrate data from multiple sources into MongoDB, and we've deployed our MongoDB as a Docker container. The related data are put together and fetched together, so there's no aggregation needed. In the future, our model can query data from MongoDB easily. Our real-time movie-related content are fetched from social medias via APIs. For example, we'll use Twitter Streaming API to produce Twitter-related content to Kafka Message Broker. And we'll use Spark Structured Streaming to consume that content from Kafka topics. At the end, we will build an interactive web front-end using Django. It is also worth to mention, we're planning to deploy our workflow as combinations of services, as Docker containers for fast and easy deployment. We're using GitHub project boards to track our progress. What we have done so far is to do a lot of research on movie data from multiple sources by going through their databases and learning their APIs. We've also set up a MongoDB database and collected and put data inside of our MongoDB database. We've also packed everything together as a Docker container. We've set up a simple one-node Kafka message broker locally to test out fetching real-time movie-related content from social media. Here's a screenshot from Mongo Express to showcase our database. Basically, we've stored data from 3 sources into 3 collections. Here's another screenshot for some query action inside of our MongoDB. So for future work, we plan to do a lot of data cleaning, data integration, and feature engineering. So basically, we're trying to reshape our NoSQL model to serve our machine learning model specifically. And we're trying to build our main machine learning model for classification and prediction. And then we'll make a subsection of analyzing movie-related streaming data from social media. and then we will deploy our system into web application and containerize them. Basically, we're trying to prepare our workflow to simulate a real production environment. Thank you.